Okay, namaste. We are from Fit24 Fitness and Yoga Center. In the COVID situation, we cannot organize normal class, so we are trying to organize an online class for you, so you can practice at home. I'm Anir, and with me here Chihang and Miss Thui cooperating with us. Let's start. Today's session is Vinyasa flow. Let's start. Namaste. Make hands chin mudras. Put your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Deep inhale through nose. Exhale through nose. Hit. Tha. Hit. Tha. Hit. Tha. Hít thở ra, thở bình thường. Breathe normally. Slowly open your eyes. Tu mở mắt. Stretch your legs, eyes and tongue. Shake legs. Now put your right on left thigh and put your right knee down. Left toe on right thigh, lotus pose. Hands on knees, relax your arms and shoulders. Thalam, hai bhai ba hai thai. Inhale, look up. Sink head down backward. Exhale, drop your chin on chest. Put it down. Hít, nhìn lên. Thở xuống. Hít lên. Thở xuống. Lần nữa. Once more. Hít. Inhale. Thở. Exhale. Kid. Now look at front. Nhìn thẳng lên. Breathe normally. Thở bình thường. Bend neck to right side. Try to touch ear to shoulder. Center. Left. Center, right. Keep your breathing normal. Center, left. Hít thở bình thường. Center, right. Center, left. Well, come back to center position. Look at right side, front and left. Continue. Breathe normally. Front, right. Hít thở bình thường. Front, left, front, right, front and left. Good. Come back to center position. Look at front. Put your hands on mat. Straight your legs, eyes and tongue. Shake your legs. Now put left toe on right thigh. Sanchalan. And right toe on left thigh, lotus pose. If you cannot, you can put one leg up and one leg down. And if you can, move for lotus pose. Không thể một chân lên, có thể hai chân. Hands on mat. Inhale. Hands up, interlock fingers, stretch up, look at hands. Exhale, put your hands down, interlock your fingers. Inhale. Exhale, put your head down and hands up. Hít, inhale. Hai tay lên, nhìn vào tay, thẳng lưng, thẳng tay. Thở hai tay xuống. Nắm hai tay, hít. Thở, đầu cúi xuống. Hai tay lên nữa. Hít, nhìn lên. Nhìn vào tay. Thở, tay xuống. Nắm hai tay, hít. thò cúi đầu xuống, tay lên, final time, hít, hai tay lên, nhìn vào tay, thẳng lưng, hold, giữ, 6 thở bình thường, breathe normally, 5, 4 straight arms and spine, 3 thẳng lưng, thẳng tay, 2 and 1 put hands down, interlock fingers, inhale, and palms upward facing, exhale. Put it down, hands up, hold. Keep your breathing normal. Hít thở bình thường. 5, 4, 3, 2 and come back slowly. Look up. Nhìn lên. Inhale, hands up. Straight up. And exhale, put your hands with shoulder level. Tips of fingers on shoulders, elbows together. Start rotation. 1, keep breathing normal. Hít thở bình thường. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now reverse, đổi chiều. 5, hít thở bình thường. 4, 3, 2, move elbows backward, and 1. Kid, put your hands down, straight your legs and shake your legs. Now we turn left, quay trái. Keep legs parallel and point toes towards sky. Inhale, we'll go for twisting posture. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, twist your spine for right side, put your head down. Keep your butts on mat. Inhale up. Exhale, left. Hít. Tay lên thẳng lưng. Thở phải, xoay lưng phải. Hít. Thở. Hai lần nữa. Hít 2 times more. Thở. Hít. Thở. Okay. Hít. Final time, lăn cuối. Bend your legs, có hai đùi, mũi hai chân lên. Exhale, thở. Twist spine for right side, head down. Hold. 5. Hít thở bình thường. 4. Đảo cúi xuống nữa. 3. Xoay lưng. 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, hít. Exhale, thở ra. Head down, hold. 6. Mũi hai chân lên. 5. Mông xuống. 4. Hít thở bình thường. 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, hands up. And exhale, put your hands down. Cross your legs and stand up. Well, shake your legs. Turn right. Legs parallel. We move for side bend posture. Inhale. Put your hands up and palms upward facing, straight up. Look at front. Exhale, bend spine for right side. Kid. Inhale, come back. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale, right. Inhale. Exhale, left. Hít. Thở. Hít. Thở. Hít. Thở. Hít. Thở. 3 times more. Hít. 3 lần nữa. Thở. Hít. Thở. 2 lần nữa. 2 times more. Hít. Thở. Keep. Final time. Inhale. Put hands down. Exhale. Inhale, hands up. Interlock fingers straight up. And exhale. Bend spine for right side and hold. Keep your breathing normal. 6. 5. Keep arms straight. Keep your arms, shoulders, pelvis and legs on same line. 4. 3. Try to push down more. 2 and 1. Up. Inhale. And exhale. Left. Keep looking at front. Don't make tension in neck. Hít thở bình thường. 5. Thẳng tay. Thẳng chân. 3. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. And exhale. Put hands down. Relax your arms. Back and front bend. Put your hands on waist. And we turn left. Breathe in. Inhale. Roll your shoulders back and take support. Place palms on back. Exhale. Go back. Bend spine. Look up. Try to look back. Keep your legs straight. Inhale. Interlock fingers. Arms together. Palms together. And exhale. Stretch lower back. Lean front. Head down. If you have lower back pain, you need to bend your legs. Come up. Inhale. Exhale. Go back. Bend spine. Look back. Inhale. Straight arms. Interlock fingers. Exhale. Lean front. Good. Continue. Hít. Nhìn thẳng. Thở. Hít. Come back. Thở. Hít. Thở. Keep your legs straight. Sink it down backward. Hít. Thở. Good. 2 times more. Hít. 2 lần nữa. Thở. Hít. Thở. Good. Final time. Hít. Lần cuối. Thở ra. Go back and hold. Breathe normally. Thở bình thường. 5. Keep your legs straight. 4. Keep breathing normal. Hít thở bình thường. 3. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. And exhale. Lean front. Interlock fingers. Straight your lower back. If you have lower back pain, you need to bend your legs. Lean front. No pain. Keep straight. Đào lưng. Co hai gối. 5. 4. 3. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Put your hands up. Exhale. Put your hands down. Okay, make your legs closer, parallel with your waist. Should not closer or wider than waist. Should not close or wider than waist. Should be same as your waist. Put your hand beside thighs. Now inhale, hands up and bend your legs. Co hai gối. Move your knees backward. Exhale, come back, put hands down simply. Continue. Inhale. Bend. Try to move your butts backward. Try to make from heel to knee vertical as much you can. Exhale, come back. Continue. Inhale. Bend, kid. Exhale. Inhale. Try to keep your spine straight. Don't make curve, no. Straight. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, kid. 2 times more. Inhale. Exhale. Final time. Inhale and hold. 5. Try to move your knees back more. Hít thở bình thường. 4. A little bit down more. 3. 2 and 1. Okay, come back. Put hands down. Shake your legs. Now everyone step forward a little bit. Okay. Here we are. Put your hand beside thighs, legs closer more. Yes. Inhale, hands up. Close palms together. Exhale, namaste. Close your eyes. Nyammat. Deep inhale through nose. Exhale through nose. Inhale through nose. Exhale through nose. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly open your eyes. Tu mở mắt. Put your hands down, hai tay xuống, co hai gối. Inhale, hands up, co hai gối, hai tay lên. Look at front. Exhale, lean front. Drop palms beside heels. Put your head down. If you have back pain, bend legs. Well, now look at front, bend your legs, jump to plank first and gently move for full chaturanga. Look down, inhale, up dog, flat your toes and lift your knees. Shoulders back, Vairasya or sit mom, squeeze butts. If you cannot, drop knees and shoulders back. Exhale, move for down dog. Draw heels, straight, lower back, pinch tailbone towards sky. Look at toes, relax your neck. Now look up, nhìn lên, bend your legs, co hai gối, jump forward, put it down, stretch your legs, 2 times more, hai lần nữa, bend legs, inhale, co hai gối, hai tay lên. Exhale, lean front, drop palms on mat, head down, cúi đầu xuống, nhìn lên, jump, back, plank, full chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, shoulders back, look at front, squeeze butts. Exhale, move forward, down dog, kid, draw heels, stretch lower back. Look up, bend your legs, jump forward. Straight legs, put your head down. Same, co hai gối, bend your legs. Inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, lean front, drop palms on mat, put it down. Good job. Look up, jump, back, plank first, full chaturanga. Inhale, up dog, lift your knees, shoulders back, look at front and squeeze your butts. Exhale, down dog. Stretch your lower back. You need to stretch lower back, kid. Look up, bend legs, jump forward. Head down, catch your ankles, put head down, Nam Hai Ko Jan. Cúi đầu xuống, head down, good. Now put your hands up, come back, inhale, straight your hands up. Exhale, namaste, close your eyes, nyammat. Deep inhale through nose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly open your eyes. Tu mở mắt. Interlock fingers, Nam Hai Tai. Put hands down first. Inhale, hands up. look up, exhale, go back, bend spine, come back, inhale, exhale, put your hands down, hands on waist, right leg up, place right toe on left thigh, inhale, hands up, make chin mudras, and exhale, bend your left leg, chair pose, move butts backward, hold, 5, breathe normally, 4, look at front, 3, 2, and 1, slowly down, lean front, put it down, try to touch forehead to your shin bone, 5, 4, keep, 3, 2, and 1, look at front, jump back, down dog, sharp mark. Here you need to broaden your shoulder wings, yes. Kick your right leg straight up, inhale, thang chan phai length. Look at front, Ngin thang length, exhale, move leg beside your left hand and move leg far, don't drop your butts, drop left heel, move right finger to right side. Inhale, left hand up, place island, and exhale, point your left finger to your right side. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back, put your hand up first, drop palms, look at front, bend right leg, put your right heel on your left knee, and we move for side plank. 5, keep looking at front, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back, drop palms, drop your leg, plank. Now drop knees, hai gối xuống, tuck your toes, drag your hands down, hai tay sit xuống. Look at front, lean forward and drop chin, chest. Put your knees up, hai gối lên, right leg straight up and hold. 6, breathe normally, good job, smile. 5, come. 4, if you can, put both legs up, come, come. 3, 2, and 1, come back, inhale, up dog, lift your knees, put your knees up, kid, hai gối lên, vai ra sau nghìn thang, exhale, move for down dog. Draw feels, broaden shoulder wings, kid. Inhale, put your right leg up, chan phai thang lên. Exhale, move right leg in between hands, chan phai buk lên chuk. Well, bend right leg, be aware from heel to knee should be vertical, straight. Butt should not down, no. Butt should be a little bit higher than your right knee. Left leg straight. Inhale, hands up, close palms together. Exhale, namaste, twist your spine for right side and try to put your armpit down. Bhai Shung no, twist your spine. You can look at front or up as you feel comfortable and hold. 5, lock your hands if you can. 4, lock your hands if you can. 3, if you can, you can lock hands, and if you cannot, then simply twist. 2, and 1, come back, inhale, hands up, interlock fingers, move right heel to right side little bit, chan phai, sit phai mochuk. Exhale, lean front. You can stay here, or if you want to move for more advance, then lean forward more. Hold. 5, look down. Be aware, knee will not move forward. 4, 3, 2. Put your hands up. Inhale, hands up, and exhale. Put your hands down on waist. Drop left knee, pelvis down, heel to knee vertical. Put your hands up. Inhale, left leg up, left heel up, and exhale. Move your left hand back, catch ankle. Right hand chin mudra, look up. If you can, roll shoulder and go for pigeon pose. Pigeon, hold. 5. Cannot simply stay here, or you can put your hand down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, come back. Inhale, right leg straight, point right towards sky, Mujjan Phailin. Exhale, drop palms on mat beside heel. Stretch lower back, look up. Inhale, hip. Exhale, try to drop elbows and put it down. Drop right shoulder on your right knee. If you cannot, simply lean forward. 5, 4, 3, 2 and look up. Ngin lên. Drag your hands back. Hai tay sit chung. Look at front, shoulders up and move for full split. If you can, you will put your hands up, look at front. Cannot, simply put hands down and keep trying. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, drop palms on mat, hai tai shung. Tuck your left toe and move right leg back. Inhale, put your right leg straight up. Exhale, down. Good job. Look at front. We'll go for bend your legs and jump. We'll move for crow pose. Here we are. Put your knees up. Hai goi len, hai bantai shung. Knees up. Move for crow pose. Well, right leg up, chan Phailin. If you can, put both legs up. Cannot, only one leg up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Put your leg down, sit down. Yes, good. Put legs up. Bend your legs, spine straight first, thang lung. Hands forward, put your shoulders back, Bhairasana. Push your lower back up, lower back straight. If you can, straight your legs and hold. Cannot, keep bend. If you have lower back pain, you need to keep your leg bend and hold leg. 5, 4, 3, 2 legs wider, margin, bend your legs and lie down on back. Put your palms under shoulders joint, hai bantai upshung, breathe in, hip. Exhale, tha up, move for wheel pose, push your body towards your head and stay on your toes, hai got chan len. 5, breathe normally, Thobinthum. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hai got chan shung, nam shung, lie down on back. Hug your knees. Keep your head on mat. Dao shung. Breathe in, hip. Breathe out, tha. Hip. Tha. Hip. Thở, hít, ngồi lên, sit up, thở ra. Here we are. Catch ankles and straight your legs. Put it down. Cúi đầu xuống. Good job. Look at front. Palms together. Interlock fingers. Inhale. Hands up. Stretch up. And namaste. Exhale. Close eyes. Nyamat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we will move for another side. Through left side, from left side, okay? Open your eyes, Mama. Interlock fingers, Nam Hai Tai. Inhale, hands up. Look up. and exhale, go back to half moon posture. Go back, kid. Smile. Keep smiling. Inhale, come back. And exhale, put your hands on waist. Smile. Now left leg up, Chanchailan. Put your left toe on right thigh. Here we are. Inhale, put your hands up and make chin mudras. Exhale, bend your right leg. Hold. 5, 4, try to bend more and try to move your knee outer side. 2 and 1, lean front, cúi xuống, hai bàn tay ập xuống, drop palms on mat, put it down, làm bàn tay ập xuống. 5, hít thở bình thường. 4, 3, 2 and okay, look at front, jump back, down dog. Same, you need to broaden your shoulder wings. Broaden shoulder wings, yes. 5, 4, 3, 2 and kick your left leg straight up. Inhale, look at front. Exhale, move your left leg beside your right hand and far. Drop both heels, tip of fingers to left side. Inhale, right hand up and exhale, point finger to your left side, hold. 5, 4, if you can, drop, touch your finger on floor. 3, thang chan, straight your legs. 2, remember, and 1, come back, drop palms on mat, look at front, bend left leg and put your left heel on knee, moving for side plank, left hand up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, come back and drop leg. Drop knees, hai gối xuống. Drag hands down, hai tay sit xuống. Look at front, smile thick. Lean forward, drop chin, chest, lift your knees up. And put your left leg straight up. Please stay here. Hold. 6, both legs up, see. High jump, both legs, yes. 5, 4, you can stay in this position or that position. But this position don't try to practice alone if you are not comfortable to do this one. 2, right leg down first. 2 and 1, come back. Inhale, up dog, lift your knees, high gối lên. Shoulders back, Vairasau. Look at front, Ngin Thang. Exhale, move forward, down dog. Good. Wide your shoulder wings. Good. Broaden your shoulder wings. Kick left leg up. Inhale, hip Thang Chan Chai Len. Good job. And exhale, move leg forward. Good. Similar, you need to keep in your mind that heel to knee vertical straight. Knee will not move forward, no, straight. And butts up more. Good job. Inhale, put your hands straight up. Close your palms. Exhale, namaste. Twist your spine for left side. Good job. Try to put your armpit down. Hold. Here, you can lock your hands or you just keep palms close together. 5, you can look at front or look up. 4, you need to feel twisting of your spine. 3, 2 and 1, very gently come back. Inhale, put your hands up, interlock fingers, Namhatai. Move left heel to left side a little bit, Chanchai Sichai Mochut. And exhale, lean forward. You can stay here, or if you want to move for advance, then lean deep more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and inhale, hands up, and exhale, put your hands on waist, drop your right knee, flat toe, pelvis down. Inhale, hands up, put your right heel up. Exhale, right hand back, catch ankle, left hand chin mudra, look up. If you can, move for pigeon pose. Cannot, simply catch ankle and left hand up, keep looking up, or you can look at front also. 5. If you cannot move this position, you just put your right hand here, look up. 3. Breathe normally. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, hands up, left leg straight, pointer towards sky. Exhale, in front, drop palm beside heel. Stretch lower back, look at front. Inhale, exhale, drop elbows and put your head down. 5, 4, 3. You need to feel stretching of your hamstring. Stretch hamstring, căng chân trái. 2 and 1. Look up, nhìn lên. Drag hands down, hai tay sit xuống, shoulders up, and try to move for full split. Good job. If you can, move for full split and put hands up. Cannot, simply stay here. Hold. 4, 3. You can look up or front as you feel comfortable. 2. And 1. Okay, put your hands down. Remember, tuck your right toe. Good job. And keep your left leg straight. Move leg back. Inhale. Kick left leg up. Exhale. Put your leg down. Down dog. Chop mat. Broaden your shoulder wings. Good job. Pinch tailbone towards sky. Look up. Bend your legs, breathe normally, jump forward, put your knees up. Move hands forward, we move for crow pose. Butts up, mumlen, knees with your arms. Here left leg up, and if you can, put your both legs up, crow pose. If you cannot, simply put one leg up and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, sit down. Put your legs forward, bend your legs fast and spine straight, hands forward, put your hands straight up if you can, move hands backward. Good job, and slowly straight your legs, hold. If you cannot, you can keep your hands here, no problem. 5. If you have back pain, you need to bend your legs. 4, 3, straight more, lower back up. 2, well, and 1, bend your legs, catch ankles, lie down on your back. Put your palms under shoulders joint, breathe in, inhale, and breathe out, exhale, move for wheel pose. This time, keep your heels on mat, hai got chan shung. Try to drag your hands close to your legs, move hands close to legs. Hai tai sit shung, va chan sit len. Move more. Move a little bit more. Okay, hold here. 6, breathe normally. Try to put your butts up. Mamlan nuo. Yes. 4, relax your neck. Thalam. Relax your neck. 3, 2, and 1. Lie down on back. Nam shung. Hug your knees. Breathe normally. Okay, deep breathe in through nose, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Put your legs down, hai jan chung. Straight your legs, hai jan thang. Feet together, drop palm beside your thighs, hai bantai up shung. Breathe in, hip, chest up. And exhale, thigh, look back, move for fish pose. Konka, chest higher more. Well, stay here. If you have pain in your neck, then you need to take support with elbows and very gently look back. And no pain in your neck, then you can drop your head. And put your feet together. Try to put your legs up. Tu hai chân lên. Bao mũi đỏ. Well, good. Hold. 5. If you can, put your hands up and close your palms in front of your chest. Có thể hai tay lên chắp hai bàn tay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, down. Drop palms, come back, lie down, nằm xuống, co hai gối, hug your knees. Put your head up. 5, down lên. 4, touch chin to chest. 3, 2, and 1. Head down, right leg straight down. Catch your leg in the right hand and twist the spine. Drop your knee. Left hand on left side. 5. Look at left hand. You need to feel twisting of spine. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Well, bend both legs for high boy. Change your legs. Đổi chân. Thăng chân trái. Bỏ đuôi phải. Bend right knee. Twist your spine. Look at right side. 5, 4. You need to feel twisting of the spine. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back. Bend your legs first. Put your knees on mat. I got some room. Straight your legs. Legs wider. Hand beside thighs. Palms upward facing and close your eyes. Nhắm mắt. Thả